Hi everyone, welcome back to DanceGeek. I don't know what this setup is. I don't know what this lighting is. My lights won't turn on, don't know why. So yeah, it is what it is. Today I have, as the title tells you, some ballet combinations. That's what an enchainment is, for those of you who don't know. Some ballet combinations, pretty simple, pretty easy to follow along with. They are beginner level, but if you've never done any kind of ballet before, you might find this a little bit tricky. So if you've never done any ballet before, I highly recommend going over to Catherine Morgan's channel, because she has some beautiful ballet classes and lots of them. Once you've got a little bit of an understanding, then come back over here. Enjoy. So you prepare in a face, facing corner one, so your right foot is in front, right foot points forward, arms to fourth on a vent. Fondue on the back leg, 2 posé coupés, 1, 2, the second one the arm comes up, 3, 4, and it goes all the way out. Then it comes up again, posé arabesque and fondue. Arms are in third arabesque. So it's 2 posé coupés, and then the third one is a posé in third arabesque. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step back. So you've got to make sure you've got a nice strong fondue leg here. 7 and 8. Okay, so the right leg, you've come down on your fondue, push off that, stretch it, bring it into coupe, and then point. You're now facing corner 2. Arms are in third arabesque across the body. We're doing a chaîné turn, nice and slow. 1, 2, step out on that right foot. 3 and 4. Okay, so that last little bit, step out, stretch that foot, in, devant, arms are across. So it's pretty much the same little prep as you just did. Run, step to the upstage right corner, so that's corner 3 on the right leg. 1 and 2, left arm is forward in arabesque, pivot, 3 and 4. So you've got your left foot in front, you're facing corner 1, right arm is high. You're going to step onto, I'll just move back a bit, you're going to step onto that left leg, fondue and développé devant, which means this right leg is going to go forward to the corner, don't take it to the side. So it goes 1 and 2, bring it into 5th, 3, 4. That's an arabesque on fondue, head is down. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you do tombe forward, so it's a fall, 1 and 2, pirouette, 3 and 4, 5, it's a big flourish. Okay, we'll do that with music. Pirouette, and boom.